So before I have each of them provide an overview of their work, I wanted to give you some information on what we do at the Healthy Weight Commitment Foundation. As many of you know, Healthy Weight was founded by food and beverage companies that wanted to make a positive impact in the area of childhood obesity. So they were the first commitment to the First Lady's Let's Move initiative, and they committed to removing 1.5 trillion calories from the nation's food supply. But they also submitted themselves to an independent evaluation. And based on that independent evaluation by the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation and Dr. Barry Popkin, those companies not only met their goal, but they exceeded it by 400% and reduced 6.4 trillion calories from the nation's food supply 3 years early. We didn't stop there, though. Since 2009, we've grown to a coalition of over 300 organizations, apologies to those other 100, including the U.S. Army, Penn State University Better Kid Care, the Head Start Association, the National 4-H Council, and many others. And we heard from these partners that nutrition and wellness curriculum was virtually non-existent or cost prohibitive in schools. So we partnered with Discovery Education, the education branch of the Discovery Channel, and they created wellness curriculum for us. These materials teach children about the importance of social and emotional wellness, nutrition, a healthy self-esteem, physical activity, goal setting, and resilience. All the materials are aligned to national education standards, the dietary guidelines, WIC, SNAP-Ed, FNEP, and Head Start. We also give it away for free. Over the course of this program, over 38 million students in grades pre-K through 5 have been reached through these materials. Our incentive programs have given away over $1.3 million in grants and prizes benefiting at-risk schools. Many of these schools either didn't have safe places for kids to play, or they needed to update their food service equipment to encourage more healthful eating. In June of this year, we expanded this program to Latin America. At the World Economic Forum on Latin America, Discovery Education and I announced that our Together Counts Healthy Decisions, Healthy Habits program would be provided to schools in Colombia, Mexico, and Brazil through the Latin American Commitment to a Healthy Future. This effort aims to reach students and families throughout the region with the tools they need to make positive and permanent lifestyle changes. So the marketplace and schools are really important to us, but we also knew that there was a lot going on in communities. So we joined in an academic research partnership with the City University of New York School of Public Health, and over the last year, 10 of our corporate members have been going through an assessment of their community-based programs around hunger and obesity prevention. These programs are being assessed based on research-backed metrics. And we'll be publishing the results later on, but the initial findings demonstrate that there is, in fact, a lot going on. Over the course of 1 year, these companies have donated over 55,500 hours of their employees' time to these efforts. They've partnered with over 660 organizations, invested $30.5 million, and donated over 54 million pounds of food. These efforts have facilitated 1.6 million hours of exercise, reached 34,700 schools and 11.2 million individuals, and provided over 420.6 million servings of food. And we think these numbers are low. The impact these STEM companies have had provides clear evidence as to why and how businesses can be a part of the solution. So our efforts continue. And I could go on and on about what we're doing at Healthy Weight, but I promise to keep this brief, and I know lunch is coming. So I wanted to invite Luann Heinen to the podium to provide an overview of her efforts at the business group.